school. I'm your science teacher. We are learning chapter 6 tissues. Now yesterday we learned about connective tissue, right? We learned that blood is a connective tissue, okay, bone, ligament, tendons, cartilage, areolar connective tissue, and last is the fat. So now we are going to see is the muscular tissue. See, muscles as what we know, our muscles move, we walk, the food goes from one place to another, even the food get digested inside our body through couple of hours. The same thing happen in the animals too. This everything which is moving inside plays an important role. If you know, when you move your hand or when you curl your arm, your muscles get bigger or smaller in size. Even our heart keeps on pumping, right? Everything, the lungs contract and expand, everything happen. Those are not those are involuntary movement. First of all, we cannot control those movements of heart or lungs, right? So what I am talking to you here is that muscular tissues also plays an important role. If you see here, consisting of an elongated cell called muscular fibers. So basically muscle fibers are there which makes a muscular tissue, right? Now this tissue is responsible for the movements in our body. If you see here the picture of this one, muscles contain special protein called contractile protein. So basically they have a special protein. The name of that protein is called contractile protein, which contract and relax cause movement. So basically this is the important feature of this tissue, that it contract and relax. Not everybody has this capacity. So muscle contains a special protein called contractile protein which can contract and relax to cause movement. Now these muscles are also called as skeletal muscles, okay. Skeletal muscles usually are attached to the bones and help in our movement. So basically whatever muscles that is attached in your legs, in your arms, right, whatever muscles that is attached to the bone are all called skeletal muscles, right. Now if you see under the microscope, there are muscles which has alternative bands, dark light, dark light, dark light. They are called striated muscle. They are called striated muscle. These cells of this tissue are long, cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleate. But long is what I saw, cylindrical, that is round in shape, right, unbranched and multinucleate, which contains more than one nuclei, right. So the movement of food in the alimentary canal or the contraction or relaxation of blood vessels are involuntary movements, right. We cannot really start or stop. Involuntary means what? We cannot control. Can you control the heartbeat? No. Can you control the contraction or relaxation of your lungs? No. We cannot control certain parts of our body. Those are called involuntary muscles, right. Such are called smooth muscles, right. Even they are found in the iris of an eye. You know what is an iris of an eye? In our eyes also there is a muscle which can control the size of a pupil. Pupil means the black portion is what you are, the dark brown portion you can see around your eye. That the size will be reduced and that is only possible through a muscle called iris, right. Basically what it do, it can control the amount of light entering to your eye. So when it is very dark, it reduces the size. When it is very light, so much light is there. When a bright light comes, it will reduce the size, and when there is dark, it will increases the size. So they are found in the iris of an eye, in the uterus, bronchi of lungs. These cells are long, pointed ends and uninucleate, means only one nucleus is there. Those are called unstriated muscles. So understand there are different types of muscles are there. Now I was talking about heart. Our heart is a continuous rhythmic contraction and relaxation, right, throughout the life. If it stops beating, you will die. right? So basically the muscle of the heart has continuous, and basically see, it is not it is rhythmatic in a smooth manner, and if it is not doing any smooth manner, we call it as a heart attack, right? So those muscles are called cardiac muscles. And how does that muscles are? Cylindrical, branch and uninucleate. So understands, there is another type of thing called muscular tissues. Now voluntary muscles are what? Our limbs, our hands, our legs. We can control those movements, right? You have seen the bodybuilding person can they can increase the size of the muscles or decrease based on their wish. So those are called voluntary muscles. Okay. So voluntary muscles are this. So understood what I just said? Muscular tissues, skeletal muscles, straighted muscles, smooth muscles, unstraighted muscle and cardiac muscle, right? So think a little, a tissue, there are so many types of tissues, in that also it has so many things. So it is getting deeper and deeper and wider as what you go and keep on learning new things into it. Yeah. So that's it for a day. If you have any query, please do ask me. Thank you so much.